Thanks for stopping by Circle M's Home here on YouTube. You clicked on this video today to learn how to rescreen your damaged or broken, ripped, trashed up screen. Before I show you, I need you to like, share this video with a friend, subscribe to our channel, and hit the thumbs up button because it definitely makes me feel good and you should too. And comment if this video is helpful or not. We had one of our most used windows here, a cat burglar I guess you'd say, tried to break in the other day and absolutely destroyed this screen. I don't want any bugs and stuff in the house because we open this window frequently, so we need to get that replaced ASAP, and I'm sure you do too because that's why you clicked the video. Again, be sure to share and subscribe to our channel, but in order to rescreen your screen, all you need is the frame of the damaged screen, some replacement screen. You can get this in aluminum, you can get this in fiberglass. There's a couple other different options. We chose just to go with regular fiberglass. You're gonna need a splining tool. You're also gonna need a flathead or something to dig the actual spline out with. You're gonna need a razor knife. If your windows are really, really old, that spline is probably trash. Ours, fairly new windows, so we don't need to actually replace that spline. We're gonna reuse the old one. Let's go ahead and jump into this DIY video.
All right, first things first, just go ahead and get something to pry that spline out. Should be pretty easy if it's relatively new. Just go ahead and pull it all the way out. Do that all the way around the window. Listen to that ASMR. All right, once you get the screen removed, it's pretty simple. Just unroll the other screen. I used a couple clothespins just to hold it on the corners real quick. Put a spline on one side, put it on the other, and then all you have to do is just roll with it. Get it nice and secure. Watch out for those window screen pull tabs. If they fall out, just stick them back in and secure them with the spline. Now for the fun part, be careful with the razor knife. Put it right there in the corner right above the spline. And nice and slow, hold the window screen. You don't want it to jump out on you. All the way around the window. And then pretty much, that's it.
And just like that, you're done. Sometimes they go in nice and straight, nice and tight the first time. Sometimes you gotta work with them. Sometimes you gotta clamp the corners down. But the more times you do it, the more easier it'll become. It'll become more easy. It'll be easier for you. Whatever. You get the idea. But yeah, save the screen for save the leftover screen. I'm sure you're gonna do it again. And there's your brand new, nice and tight, undamaged window screen. Do not forget that these tabs, your little window screen pull tabs, actually come out. They're held in by the splines. So if they fall out, just clip them back over the edge, put the spline in the screen right there and just run it through. And there you go. I appreciate you watching this video. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, at our website, circlemfurnishings.com. As always, thanks for watching. God bless.
I greatly appreciate you watching. Go ahead and leave a comment if this helped you. If not, tell me what I can do better. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, this circle logo right here will help you do just that. I picked a video out just for you to watch as well. You can also check us out at circlemfurnishings.com. Drop us a line. As always, God bless.